What's up, you guys? Welcome to this week's video. Welcome to today's vlog. On this week's video, we're gonna shoot Marta's black and white outfits. Yay! Guys, did you miss what I wore videos last week? Yeah, I missed you guys. I missed styling you guys. So once again, welcome to this week's video. I want to say my names are MJ as per the content's name, as per the YouTube's name. Yeah, those are my real names, and I'm your regular dresser, if I may say so. So on to this week's video. With this week's video, we're gonna shoot Marta's outfit. Just outfit, but black and white. Guys, I realized that most of us have black and white outfits by default. Guess how and guess why? Because most of the times when you go somewhere or you pass by a thrift store or anywhere, you easily pick a white stuff, especially a white top, because you definitely know you're gonna style white with so many outfits. And we tend to pick black pants because we know we'll wear it with anything. That's how we end up having so many black and white outfits. And sometimes we feel like wearing black and outfits like it's not the thing. But I am here to remind you, sis. I am here to show you how your black and outfits can make you glow, can make you look cute and nice. Yes. Okay, on to my today's outfit. Today I'm wearing that outfit that will call your name. Yeah, so I've wear this white shirt. It looks like a school shirt. That's what is inside. And then I don't know how this is called, a dungaree, if I'm not wrong. I've paired it with this black dungaree, and I've worn my black heels as usual. So yeah, guys, that's my outfit of the day. My hair is gonna be standard the same throughout the entire week. High chances my earrings too, because this week I don't know, I'm just having a sort of a week, but let's see how it goes. Otherwise, hope you're having a good week. Hope you're having a great month. How is the month of August taking you guys? Hope you're well. Hope you're okay. Can't wait to see you on the next one. But before I go, dungarees are not outfit for everyone's workplace. So for you to hide it that it's a dungaree, let me just show you how you can do it. Guys, so since it's not everyone's workplace that will allow you wear a dungaree and just be there and not look at you like you're not professionally dressed, I added this sweater on top of it so as to hide the dungaree. You can choose to button up your sweater, you can choose to top it up with a blazer, but you see, even if I add the sweater, it still looks sleek and professional. So let's button it up and see how it looks like. Okay, so guys, once I button up my sweater, this is how my whole outfit looks like. Yeah, it just looks like I've worn a trouser and I've paired it with a white shirt and some sweater. I don't know why this sweater is not looking the way it's supposed to look on the camera, but trust me, it's a nice shade of, I don't know how this color is, but I don't know, it's not green. There's just it's a nice shade, and it's just cute. So I hope you're gonna have a lovely week ahead, and I hope you're going to have a great month. My outfits, all of it's from Think Twice. So yeah, go there, shop, have fun. So bye for today. See you on the next one. Thank you. Morning, guys. Today is Tuesday, another grind day. Yes, I'm here to show you what I'm wearing. But how is your morning going? How is your day going? I hope it's going well. For me, I'm up and early. Okay, am I really up? Yeah, am I really early? I'm not that early, but yeah, because schools are closed and the kids are at home, so there's a little bit of background noise, but it's okay. So my hair is as usual. Our hair is always constant, so my head is in this puff. I don't know, just added some puff, held my hair up, and then added that extension. Today, as our theme states for the week, it's a black and white code, so I'm sticking it to the black and whites, but just styling them, making my blacks and whites pop. So I'm wearing this long sleeved white blouse, and then I've paired it with this my black dress, so it's just like that. Yeah, and also with this my black heels. So guys, I'm just feeling cute. I am just feeling cute. My dress is a bit long, but it's okay. It's okay. I would have preferred it being slightly up there, but even the way it is, it's fine. And then it has a belt that's it. It just cinches the waist nicely, and yeah, I think I'm looking cute, and I feel cute. So that's my outfit for today, guys. My earrings are going to be the same. Since it's black and white, I don't want too much details this week, and this week, oh, I have a busy week, so that will be my outfit for the week. Otherwise, for the day, sorry guys. Otherwise, hope you have a lovely Tuesday. Hope your day goes well. Yes, so bye. See you on the next one. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's video. It's another outfit of the week. Yes, so welcome to what I wore today. So my outfit of the day, we're keeping it black and white as usual. My hair is consistent as per usual. So today I'm just wearing a white top and as usual black pants. So this is my outfit for the day. This two bow-tied sort of top. It has a bow tie print, though the bow tie is not balanced, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's great. And then I'm pairing it with this black pants, and yeah, I'm wearing these amazing shoes from Sesh. So that's my outfit for today. How are you guys? How are you doing? Hope you're having a great week. Hope your week is coming along well. So thank you. See you on the next one. Bye bye. What's up, guys? Today is a Friday. Of course you know it's a Friday because you've seen how happy I am. Yeah guys, so today is a Friday and I'm glad and happy to be here. So very first, what I'm wearing, our theme for this week is black and white, and I'm keeping it black and white. So first, what I'm wearing is this white top with some details, and it's short sleeved, so I'm just feeling cute. Actually, this top is giving me the vibe. It's giving me the vibe. What's written here? I don't know. I can't even say. I know it's fun, funky, fashionista, stay weird. Ah, yeah. It's written stay weird. So, I don't stay weird. So, I'm pairing this white top with my black jeans and my Joe shoes. So, that's my outfit for Friday. So guys, what are you up to this Friday? What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing after work? You don't know? Subscribe to my channel, because if you subscribe, you'll get something to watch and then you'll have something to do. Otherwise, hope your week is coming to the end nicely. Mine too is great. It's, yeah, normally it starts with but when you get to Friday, yeah, so I am happy, I am good, and that's it. So guys, let me see you tomorrow with what I'll be wearing. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe. I love you. See you on the next one. What's up, everyone? Welcome to today's video. Welcome to what I wore. Today is Saturday. Yeah, and I'm just wearing, today it was a black, this week it was black top and any other thing that you can pair it with. So today I'm just white top. Sorry, why am I saying black? Today I'm just wearing this white top of mine. It looks like a school shirt, and then I've paired it with this black dress of mine and my black heels, and I'm feeling cute. Yeah, so that's my outfit for the day, and I've added this belt just to cinch in everything. So guys, what I'm not understanding or what I am not feeling is, do I want to wear this dress like this, or I want to do this, or should I leave it like this? I think leaving it like this makes it look more beautiful and cute. What do you guys think? I think I'm looking nice, and I'm nicely dressed. What do you guys think? So that's my outfit for the day, and I'm just feeling myself. Yeah, so guys, I think that's it. See you tomorrow, and bye. Have a good day. What's up, you all? Welcome to another day. Yay! Yeah, guys, so sorry to interrupt your what I wore video. I'm just here to give you an update of something I purchased. Yeah, so before I show you my outfit for today is Sunday. Before I show you my outfit for the day, let me first show you something I added into my space or into my house. Ta-da! Tidding, 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 tidding. I added this kitchen pot. Yeah, so I bought this kitchen pot. My friend gifted me with something similar. She gifted me with the pot, and then I don't know whether this is a pan. It's a pan or it's a big, I don't know. I think it's a big pan, because that's what they said. So this is how it looks, like this, and it's from Edinburgh. Yeah, so I purchased this so that I can just add to what I have. Let me just show you guys what I had before I bought this. So guys, before I bought that, this is what I was using. Yeah, you can see it had rust all over, which is not good. And this, you see the holder or the hand has already started coming out. The inside was still good, it was still functional, but this whole stuff wasn't giving. Yeah, so since my friend gifted me, I also decided to upgrade myself and get this. So from this man to this. Guys, I'm super proud of myself and I am so happy for myself. If you're out there, you want to upgrade your kitchen, please do. And also if you haven't yet, because maybe of one reason or the other, don't feel bad about it. When the time is right, it will happen. Otherwise, guys, let's go into what I'm wearing today. I know you are curious to see what I'm wearing. The upper bit is looking amazing. It's a Sunday. Yeah, the downer bit, I don't know. I'll leave for you guys to decide. Otherwise, I hope you've had a great week until here, and please remember to subscribe. So let me show you what I'm wearing today.